Hi everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at an IKEA candle. This is a HEMSJÖ. They're sold in sets of 4 for $2.99. The item number on this for IKEA is 701-242-62. These are 15-hour burn candles. They come in a 4-pack. They're about 3 1/4 inches high, that's about 8 centimeters, and 2 3/4 inches wide, so that's about 5.7 centimeters. Again, the price point is fantastic. 4 of these candles for $2.99 US. 15-hour burn time. They're unscented. They're kind of an off-white color and they put off a nice glow. If you want to learn more about these, I'll stick a link in the description. As always, thanks for watching.